Hi everyone, Peter from Drawing Power Room here. So on this video we're going to be making this little caterpillar in a leaf. So you're going to need your little wooden stick, your paper straw, 2 pipe cleaners, little eyes, and some paper, green paper, and then a bit of sellotape and some pens and glue. We start off by just doing the leaf. So just fold your paper in half and then just draw around a leafy shape. Leave a bit here just to attach to the tube, and then you can just do whatever shape you feel like. And then you can just cut that out. You've got your leaf shape, and now we're just going to use just a pen just to put some details on the leaf. Make it a little bit more realistic. There you go. Next you're going to get your tube. We're going to stick that down here with a bit of glue. You're going to cut an extra piece of paper off from the leftovers. Put a load of glue on it. I'm going to put that over the tube just to cover it up. Fold that round. Use a little bit of tape. You should be able to get your little wooden stick through, like so. Next we're going to make the little caterpillar. So we'll get some pipe cleaners and we're going to twist them together. You could just use 1 pipe cleaner if you wanted to, but it's just good to have more colour. So, and now you're just going to bend it around into shape, so it's like a sort of a hoop, like a half hoop. See how big it is? So you want it to sort of come about that far. So I just need to do a little bit more, and then we're going to cut that off. That's the start of the shape. Next you're just going to use your little stick and we're going to wrap the pipe, maybe a piece of pipe cleaner around it, just so it makes it nice and secure on the tube. And then you're going to stick that down the tube and get yourself a little bit more tape. You're just going to tape it onto the outside of the tube here. And if you need to, you can just bend it round to get it in the right position. Now all you need to do is just put your eyes on, bit of glue, and there you go, all done.